Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I do want to show you how you can unsubscribe from subscription on your Apple phone. The first thing that you need to do is you have to go into your Apple store here, that little A icon looking like. If you go right in there and go into your profile up in the top right, that should be your Apple ID, and scroll where it says subscriptions on here. And under subscriptions, it's going to show you all the subscriptions that you may have on your iPhone. You may have some, you may have none, but it will show you any subscriptions listed here. And you can click on any of the subscriptions that you may have and then hit disable. That way it will have the subscription on there. So that way you are knowing what you're paying for every single month on your iPhone. There's also another way where you can look at all your subscriptions that lead you to the same place, is if you go into your settings here. Under settings, you want to go into your Apple ID. Then under Apple ID, you will have the subscriptions link right here. Click on that. It will bring you to the same place, but just in case the App Store doesn't work, if the App Store isn't responding at all, you have a secondary option to go inside your Apple ID and you can unsubscribe from any subscriptions that you don't like, that you don't want anymore, or if you want to renew subscriptions, it will all be in here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it so much. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down to the channel below and then hit that like button as well so other people can enjoy watching these videos where I'm teaching and talking through every single time with you. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.